Project Blue Dini here. Starting the secret Hellion twin turbo kit. Got everything delivered. Little hiccup here or there, nothing too bad. It comes with a CD with a PDF on it. I printed it out, went over to Walgreens and printed it out. It was 54 pages, but there was one blank, so 53 pages. I went through and numbered all of the pages on there, and then I walked through each one of the steps, and Hellion really lays this out nice. They've got a tag on each pipe part, not quite tagged individually, but pretty close, and it has a labeled name on it. So as you step through the instructions, I took in my instructions and took the page number and the step number and put it on the bag so that each part is identified. There's quite a few steps where you can kind of pre-assemble some stuff, so that's what I'm going to start with. I did not know there was two options. Well, there's a lot of options, but the one particular option that I'm speaking of, I did not know that there was two different options. So you can do the full sleeper kit and cut your airbox to smithereens and put two pipes through it with a silicone adapter. The two pipes are laying over there right. Let's see. There we go, right there. Those are the two pipes. And you put a silicone adapter from this bag in between those two. And like I said, you cut your airbox into smithereens. I got those parts. They showed up, read through the instructions. Wasn't really a fan of that. So I called Hellion for the regular pipe and said ship that one back. And they would exchange the other pipe. Totally cool. Paid to ship the parts back. And then once they got there, after a couple of days, because it was 4th of July, found out that the pipe that I needed is on back order. So had a few choice emails back to them, and then they sent me those parts back so I can start putting this kit in. I have to see. I'm not gonna cut my airbox into pieces. I'm gonna use the pipes that they gave me, and then I'll exchange those pipes out for the one pipe that's powder coated and has Hellion written on it, instead of cutting up my airbox. But I'll do that at a later date. So I'm hoping that I can leave the airbox out, use these couple of pipes and adapters to get that done, and then at a later date, switch that stuff out and put the nicer looking pipe. Let's see. I've got right here the loudmouth, which they welded to the pipes there. So under boost, it will go right to, it'll be dumps for the exhaust. When it's not under boost, then the exhaust will go through the stock exhaust that I have on there, minus the resonator, because I have a resonator delete on there. I did the upgraded cast ball bearing turbos. The regular ones are cast turbos, and I did cast ball bearing turbos upgrade. I did the ID 1050X's. I did not do a boost controller. I figured I can do that at a later date. Yeah, really nice laid out kit. I got everything laid out here. Like I said, I'm gonna start assembling some of these different parts, and then I'll start ripping into the car here. It's supposed to be super hot here and some bunch of rain and stuff, so I think it'd be a good time to get it done. Rob from Palm Beach Dyno already sent me over the tune, so once I get this put in, I can fire it up, and then I got to do a couple different data logs before driving it, which I'll send to him, and then we'll do some more data logs, and then more data logs, and then more data logs, and then eventually I'll get to do a pull. Want to make sure it's safe. So, and Palm Beach wants to make sure it's the same. Safe. Subscribe, like, comment. I'm going to be putting this kit on, and I'm going to be putting it all on here. So as I go through and put it on, I'll be filming and put it on YouTube. So comment, guys. Thanks.